Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Dana, or at European on Instagram or YouTube, I guess, now. But anyways, this is just a little short video I wanted to make about my E30 drift car that I got. Well, I've had it for a little over a year now, maybe like a year and a half. I forget exactly when I got it, but this is my first like actual drift car, dedicated car for drifting. I don't like drive it on the street or anything. I bought it just to pretty much learn how to drift. I've always been comfortable in E30s. I've had a lot of BMWs and a lot of European cars, hence the name European. But yeah, so I mean, this is just kind of a little video I wanted to make just about some stuff I'm putting in here. Like, I wanted to put this hook for my steering wheel so I can take my wheel off when I go drifting, and then I can just put it up there instead of like having to leave it on the car, and sometimes it makes it easier to get in and out because I got a race seat. But that, and then I got a Chase Bays Hydro that I'm trying to put in here also. I just don't I don't have like the dual calipers yet, so I just wanted to play with it and trying to figure out where I actually want it. I think I want it somewhere here so that it's in between my steering wheel and my shifter. I don't want it to be I don't want it to be too far over on this side. You know, I'd rather have it over here just so that it's more comfortable. It's more easier to get to while I'm drifting. I don't know if you guys probably didn't see that, but yeah, just a little easier transition, you know what I mean, going from here to here instead of, you know, from here all the way over here. But actually, I mean, nah, that's pretty far. I really don't like that. That's like, yeah, I don't know. I feel like I like it over here. That way when I'm driving, yeah, that feels way more comfortable. And yeah, I don't know, I got this Alcantara steering wheel from from NRG also. Jason over there hooked me up with that and the hook for the wheel. I actually don't have a quick release on here right now, which is kind of funny, but I'm gonna put one on here soon. That way I'll be able to actually use the hook. But other than that, I mean, this car's been great. I just took it to 2 events last weekend. Not last weekend, but 2 weekends in a row. Last weekend was the Get NRG Love Matsuri 4, which was an awesome event. Thanks again, Jason, and everybody over there at NRG. That and the one before that was the Yokomuki Boys event. Shout out to you guys too, you know, Tommy Pickles, Vigo, everybody over there, you know. Yeah, I don't know, I still got to do a nut and bolt check. I'm trying to drive this event at Willow Springs this weekend also, so I'm trying to get as much driving in as possible, obviously. Just, you know, getting my drifting seat time in, trying to get more practice in. I've driven Horse Thief Mile before, but I didn't have an angle kit, so I feel like now it would be a little better. You know, I'd be able to link the course a little more, but still with no hydro. I mean, I don't even have a regular e-brake. Like, this thing doesn't do anything. But eventually I'll have a hydro in here. I could do an inline setup, but I really just haven't heard good things about it, so I'm trying to steer away from doing that. But yeah, I mean, if you guys want me to make a video on this car, like an update, or not an update, but like a kind of breakdown video or whatever. I mean, I didn't really build it. I bought the car almost as is. I put the seat in it, I put the SLR kit on the front, and I put the steering wheel and the passenger seat too. It didn't have a passenger seat at all, but yeah, it's been a pretty good car. I love this thing, honestly. It's a great car. So yeah, this is my drift car. Like I said, let me know if you guys want me to make another video on like a breakdown or whatever's done to this thing, or, you know, stuff like that. Still needs to be cleaned since the last event I drove it. But like I said, I love this thing. It always performs great. I mean, not much more I could say. I'm a big E30 guy. That's for sure. But I'm gonna show you my daily right now. I just I was gonna do a bolt check on that car, but I have my brother's car. The water pump went out on us like a few weeks ago on our way back up from the bay, and he just hasn't had time to do it, or hasn't had the tools to do it. So he just got the tool to do it yesterday, and I'm gonna go over there and give him a hand. But here's my daily E30 right here. Still looks like a drift car, basically. 325 sedan, I mean not sedan, 325 coupe. It's got E46 control arms, and both late model cars. I have they're both 89s. But yeah, I mean, they're great cars. I honestly, like I said, I've always been comfortable in E30s. I love these cars. They're just one of my favorite little cars to drive. This thing is it's pretty good too for, I mean, I don't know how many miles are on it, to be completely honest. The dash says 320,000, so I mean, that could be accurate, could be could be wrong, I don't know, but somebody has taken care of this car. I mean, when I got it, it was a lot more crashed. I'll try to put up some pictures of when I got it. See, it has like a mismatched seat. I got some Kosei K1s back there, but yeah, I bought it and it was crashed up in the front. I ended up fixing it and doing some work on it, just you know, whatever I can to make it presentable, kind of. It was actually wrapped blue, and the wrap was like super old and cracked and dried up. It looked insane, I don't know, but yeah, I got all that stuff off, and then I've just been working on it ever since. It's kind of like just been a fun project daily for me. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna go over to my brother's. I'm gonna head over there now, and I'll probably pick the camera back up when I get there, or when I'm working on his car, you know, whatever. Give you guys a look of what that is. But yeah, see you guys over there. All right, so we're over here. Got the 540 M5 front bumper. Got the water pump all taken apart. Just about to get everything back together. Just got to scrape the old gasket stuff off and button it back up. But yeah, just wanted to do a little update, a little look at the car. Looks pretty good on these M parallels. Alright, it's about 7 o'clock now. Got the water pump and everything all done, belts all back on, everything's back together. Just yeah, took a few hours, but not a big deal. Just filling it up with coolant now, about to start it up. Hey guys, back again, next day. This is I'm headed to NRG to go grab some stuff. I actually won a seat at the last drift event in their raffle that they had, and then I got to pick up a few other things and another seat for a buddy, and so I'm taking the daily E30, and I'm gonna see how this stuff fits all in here. Be back when I get it all. Alright, so I just left NRG, forgot to pick up the camera while I was there, but got the seat that I won. Also got a race hub, Shout out Jason. This is for my track car. Got a few harnesses for one of my buddies. Got another seat back there for one of my buddies, and I was curious to see how all this stuff was gonna fit in here, but it's actually not bad. And this thing I'm gonna try to put in this car. Actually, I think it would go well in here with the mismatch interior already. I think it just kind of is fitting, so I'm gonna go ahead and figure out how to throw that in here. I don't know if I'm gonna order some brackets or something like that. I mean, I kind of do like the sliding adjustability, but it might make it too tall in here. I don't know. But either way, I'm gonna try to mount that in here. I'll keep you guys updated on when I do or whatever. But yeah, right on. Got everything. Alright, so yesterday went and picked up that seat from NRG that I won. Today I'm making some brackets and whatnot. Those are spacers to make it so it's level, but got some brackets and stuff going on so I can get this seat bolted in, and then yeah, so I guess let's figure out how to put all this stuff together. I kind of figured it out already once, but I had the seat in there and then I took it out because I had to redo some stuff and paint the brackets. Alright, it's another day. We're over here at my dad's house. Just I don't know, came over here to hang out, but I figured I would show you guys the seat, how it came out. I actually changed my steering wheel and stuff too, but yeah, this is how it came out. She got that sparkly purple back. You know, it's pretty good. It actually came out nice. It fits in this interior well. Like I said, it's like, you know, with the red back seat already, you know, tan carpets don't match already. Blue seat kind of ties into some kind of blue in there. White steering wheel, I feel like gave it a little bit of a good look because I have like mismatched wheels and shit already. Fucking black fender, so you know, it is what it is. Just thought it was a cool thing. I actually sanded and painted this wheel the other day and it came out all like textured and weird though, but I don't know, I feel like it's cool. It was already like a super cracked and messed up wheel, so I mean, I didn't really care too much about it. I just wanted to make it look different, kind of change up the seating position and, you know, where the steering wheel lays and stuff while I'm driving. But yeah, check out that dash too, no cracks, super nice. Yeah, I don't know, just like I said, just figured I'd give you guys an update. It's a beautiful day. There goes my dad's M5 there. Catch you guys in the next one. Alright, so right after I made that other clip, I forgot I had this wheel. It's actually a real Momo. I don't know what year it is. It probably says it somewhere on the back, but somewhere along the line I wrapped this in rope. And this is all one piece of rope. Started here, or no, actually, yeah, I remember. Started here and I wrapped it all the way around both sides and met all the way in the middle. It's a cool, I don't know, I had another E30 that I bought one time that had a steering wheel like this. It wasn't a Momo, it was like some super, like, I think the guy said it was an American steering wheel. It was like out of a Firebird or something like that, but the dude wrapped it in rope just like this, and I don't know, it was like cool. I feel like it's some kind of European, like this is totally something they would do in like Germany or something like that, or not, maybe not Germany, but like Poland or you know, something like that. And then it even has like, you know, BMW colors kind of ish. So I don't know, it's pretty cool. Tell me what you guys think, whether I should run this or that one. I kind of like both, but this is like a different, like I said, it's a different look, and it kind of goes with the seat and everything, you know? It's kind of funky. It's all ties together. I think I'll leave that one for now. That's me, European.